Hi, this is Angelica. Today I wanted to present all the ingredients that we need to make this green juice, the most important part of the Quantic food. Today we have these vegetables. The first one is the celery, the one that is here. This is a kind of celery also that it has to have a name, but I don't know the name. Then we have this cabbage. This is called Baosim Kai Choi. I don't know if you know it in your country. It has the same name, but this is the name here in France. And then we have some parsley. We also have this chard. We have two of them. This huge salad, and we have some beet, some white celery right here. Here we have the ginger, the curcuma, fennel, some green apple. It is not necessary at all to add these apples, but it gives to the juice a very sweet taste, as you can imagine. And if you don't have these apples, okay, you don't put them. But if you want to replace them, you can also use a cup of melon or a cup of watermelon or 5 oranges, but no other fruit. And then we have this chayote and two kind of turnips. This is called golden turnip and this is the regular turnip. And we have the cucumber, 18 cucumbers. This is something that you have to do in a huge quantity, because if you don't, you're going to be a slave of green juices because you have to do it all the time. It is a lot of amount of work. So when you decide to do it, you have to do it a lot. The next step is that I will ask God to bless all my vegetables, and then we're going to wash them just with water, with clear water. We are not going to add any weird thing, so nothing, just water. As I have centrifugal juicer, I don't need to cut all the ingredients into very small pieces because it has a very huge mouth. But just like this, maybe the fennel or maybe a chayote, we have to cut it into two. Yes, we make all the juices and then we put them into the blender. So you also need a blender, because in the blender, not all the juice, but just one part of the juice, you put it in the blender, and we're going to put some mix of nuts that you will see. You can choose the nuts that you want to put, even chia seeds, flax seeds, or other kind of nuts. Okay, and why we have to add these nuts? Because these nuts are going to help to fix all the ingredients, all the important elements that are present in these vegetables in your body. You need to add these nuts to have this impregnation, just to help your body to receive in a very fast way all these good ingredients that are here, all the vitamins and all that is good for you in your body and in your blood. We are going to put everything into bottles, and we use recycled plastic bottle of water, but if you don't want to use that, you can replace them by glass bottles of water or whatever you have. And then you also need a freezer. Yes, because you have to be equipped. If you want to do this Quantic way of feeding, you have to be equipped. So the freezer is a very important part, because you're going to have 17, 18, 19, or I don't know how many, 20, 25 green juices, and of course you're going to put them in the fridge. You need a freezer because you have to storage them. Yeah, that's the process. I hope you will start this year with the right food and you will start enjoying this magical way of nourishing yourself with the Quantic food. Thank you. Once you have your juice, you are going to take 1 liter approximately, and then you are going to add some seeds or nuts and blend it up. You can choose the nuts that you prefer or the ones that you don't usually consume. This time I've chosen sesame seeds. We put all juice into the bottles and then all the bottles in the freezer. Yummy! Cheers!